So what is the significance of Sinulog in Tacloban City? Not only in Tacloban City. Here in Damulan, we also celebrate Sinulog, di ba? So what is the significance? Okay, next. What do mananambal? What roles? So may role nila sa to community, sa to komunidad. They use what?
They use plants to prevent nutrition to help sick people feel better.
Okay, thank you.